Hi everybody, it's Dave Aquino with Basecamp Trading, and this is your free video for Tuesday, January 19th. So here we are the day before Inauguration Day. Now, we know we've had a lot of turmoil in the at the U.S. Capitol. We know that there's a heightened level of security going on across the United States. The markets, if you remember when the rioting was going on at the Capitol building, we actually had a bullish move in the markets. Basically, the markets were not necessarily fazed by the historical events going on in Washington. So tomorrow is Inauguration Day. I don't think that the market is overly concerned about some sort of activist event either in Washington or across the United States. I think of because the heightened level of security. There might be some peaceful protests and everything like that. I think the market will weather that just fine. What I've noticed here in the price action, if you look at it from last week, on the 11th, we closed at 37.99.61. On the 12th, we closed at 38.01. On the 13th, we opened at 38.09. So for 3 days there, the opening and closing prices were basically at 3,800. What happened on Friday is we took a directional move to the downside after sitting in this channel for well over 5 days, went near the bottom of the channel, and then followed through and broke lower on Friday. Okay, that was Thursday into Friday morning. Friday, we recovered nicely back to the bottom of the channel, sold off a little bit at the close. Today, because of the Martin Luther King Jr. holiday, there was a trading day sandwiched in the middle here across the world, and we did not participate because our U.S. markets were closed. So what we see is the market jumping up 25, 30 points, and kind of making that move up with the gap higher, and then this general movement higher back towards 3,800. If you look right now, it is about 35 minutes before the close. We are basically sitting on the 3,800 level. Okay, I think we have a very good range between 38.26 to the high side. Okay, the top part of that previous channel, and then Friday's low at roughly 37.50. Okay, I think that tomorrow morning the markets will open fairly flat, and then potentially just continue in consolidation the rest of the morning until the inauguration event, and then the markets will probably either be slightly bullish or stay in this consolidation range, staying below 38.26. We're actually taking trades in the form of an iron condor going into tomorrow. However, that's just not completely out of the question that we may have of some volatile price movement. I don't necessarily think it will be to the downside. I think, if anything, the market may actually celebrate the relative peacefulness of the inauguration and have that forward-looking focus on what will happen in Q1 and Q2 because of the expanded spending that the Biden administration is expecting to really roll out very quickly. So if anything, the markets should either continue with this consolidation, staying below 38.26, or going ahead and starting on that upward move, potentially breaking through that level. Not really anticipating much of a break, say below 3,800, let alone 37.50. Okay? Thank you very much.